Hello, welcome to another video on Spares Repairs. My name's Gino, and today we've got a Vauxhall Zafira 2013 plate here from full service and a pollen filter change. So let's get on with the video. Come on. This is the car in question, for full service and a pollen filter change. So let's crack on with the video. Right, so what I've done is I've removed the Jubilee clip from the air box, from the air pipe, removed this air mass sensor plug. I'll just take off these torque bolts all the way around and show you the air filter. Okay, all the bolts are removed. The box should come out. Here's the old air filter. And there's a new air filter. Don't need to go too tight on these, as you can ruin the thread. That's that. Back on. Sensor on. And that's the air filter done. Come on, now to the spark plugs. Right, to do the spark plugs, which are under this Ecotech plate here, just removing this to one side. This should slide out, come out like that. Gonna undo the plug for the coal pack, undo these torques, and then the coal pack should come out all in one. That was easy. Usually they don't come out that easy. So what I've done is I've cracked them all off and now taken them all out now. Just taking them out. Remember to put these in hand tight. So what I do is I drop it in with a magnet first, twist it so it gets a couple of threads, and then pull the magnet out, and then tighten it up after. And I'll do the same with the other four as well. Now the spark plugs are tight, coal pack can go back on. bolts can go back in, cover can go back on and put back in the reverse order. Right, here's the oil filter. Oil filter is located just by the exhaust manifold. All you need is 24mm socket and a ratchet, and just turn it off. I've just loosened it a bit, so I'm just going to do a couple more turns on it and then just leave it there so the oil can drain all the way into the sump, so then I can drain the oil. Now under the car, I'm going to drain the oil. This is the oil sump plug here, and the tightening torque after 14 Newton meters. So let's get cracking. So what I've used is a T45 torque bit to loosen the sump plug. Now let the oil drain. Newton meters is the torque specification for this sump plug. Give it a bit of a clean. And that's the oil drained. Come on. Going to put some old oil around the seal and then put this back in and then torque it up to 25 Newton meters, so you can see it located there. 25 Newton meters. All around the seal. Let's do the pollen filter. There's this trim here that fits underneath the glove box, and they're held on by these screws. You just turn them 90 degrees and they pop out, and then this trim comes out. After that trim, you need to take off these T25 bolts, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, to remove the glove box. After the glove box is out, there is a wire for the glove box light, and as you can see, there's no light in there at the moment. There's air duct pipe, air vent pipe, needs to be removed to get to the door of the pollen filter. So then there's some 20 bolts. 1, 2, one's missing there. 4 and 5. And then you may have to remove these metal clips here, and then that whole panel should pop out, and then we'll be able to see the pollen filter. So I managed to pull the cabin back. Once it's back, here's your pollen filter. It's going to come out now. And then put it back the same way. See the direction? So it should be going into the car, the direction. Remember to put these in the correct way. And just like that, the new one's in. Old one, new one. And then box back up. Put a new bulb in the glove box, and now it's working. Everything on the car is now done. Everything's all good. Oil levels topped up to the correct level. All the other levels are good. Screen wash topped up, coolant topped up, tyres are put up to the correct pressures. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.